I'm Stuti Shukla. You are watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with latest updates. National FFA organization has awarded Kathy Eklund, Head of Internal Communication for Syngenta Crop Protection in North America, and Robin Thomas, Early Talent Acquisition Manager for Syngenta in North America, honorary American FFA degrees at the 94th National FFA Convention and Expo in Indianapolis, Indiana for their exceptional service to agriculture. Eklund said, "I am honored to be recognized by FFA, an organization that continues to shape and guide the future leaders of the agriculture industry." AgroStar, a mobile commerce platform through which farmers can procure raw material by giving a simple missed call, is set to features at the 3rd Digital Disruption Agriculture Forum on November 10th and 10th-11th. Features at the 3rd Digital Disruption in Agriculture Forum on 10th and 11th November. The forum will showcase how their innovation technologies impact smallholder farmers. Shobit Bell, Marketing Director of Still India, won the Marketing Minister Award 2021 to 2022 at Goldfest Conclave in Goa. Still Group develops, manufactures and distributes power tools for professional forestry and agriculture, as well as for garden and landscape maintenance, the construction sector, and demanding private user. World Food Day, Organic India has announced its foray into the organic commodity segment with a newly launched category and product portfolio which comprises of regular grocery items like organic basmati rice, dalia, pulses, spices, etc. Subrata Datta, Group Managing Director, Organic India, said, "We are diversifying and restructuring our product portfolio across segments for healthy conscious consumer. With the launch of this new vertical, we aim to become one-stop solution for all organic product needs." SVG Ventures Thrive and Intel collaboration to accelerate digital transformation and sustainability across the global food supply chain. The collaboration will combine Intel's advanced technology expertise in the areas of AI, computer vision, edge computing, and networking, with Thrive platform and the proven track record for identifying and accelerating disruptive solutions in food and agriculture. John Hartnett, CEO and founder of SVG Thrive, said, "Our platform delivers incredible opportunities for both our corporate partners and our startups, and we are incredibly excited to partnering with Intel to accelerate digital transformation to further advance the future of food and agriculture and drive a more sustainable future for us all." Narendra Modi has announced 2070 as a target for his country to reach net zero carbon emissions at the COP26 climate talk. He also stated to other world leaders that India would increase the share of renewables in its energy mix from about 38% last year to 50% by 2030. National Conference on Agriculture and Food Sciences will be organized by National Research Forum on 7 November 2021 in Hyderabad for bringing together innovative academics and industrial experts in the field of smart energy system to common forum. Their conference aims to exhibit the technical excellence of building technologies, research, scholars, and representatives from academia and industry. For more such updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.